I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team.
In this video we're going to go over finding people to follow. When we first set up our account, we were given the option to select some topics and find some people to follow. If you skip that part, don't worry, it's not hard to find people to follow. For one thing, Twitter gives you suggestions. If you've selected a few categories that you're interested in, they'll show you relevant people to follow on the homepage. You can also find people that you know through your email and upload your contacts directly to Twitter to start following them. But the best way to find relevant people to follow is the search function. You shouldn't try just adding anyone in order to increase your followers and get engagement. You want to add people who are interested in your business, interested in you and what you're doing. If you add random celebrities and random people with hundreds of millions of followers, you may get a lot of followers yourself, but they're not targeted and they may have no interest in you and they may never have any interest in you. It's more important to build a loyal following and follow people who are relevant to you and your business. For example, I'm going to type in affiliate marketing and press enter, and it's going to show me all the results for affiliate marketing. So to find people to follow, I'm going to go to people, and then there's all the people related to affiliate marketing that I can follow. I'm going to scroll through, I'm going to look at their profile pictures, I'm going to look at their bios, and I'm going to decide who is most relevant to me and who I want to follow. I know that Share a Sale is an affiliate network, so I'm going to follow them. And then I scroll down some more, and I found a big affiliate summit, so I want to follow that. This person shows affiliate marketing hacks, so I may want to follow that. So once you've found people that are relevant to you and that you want to follow, you can come back to your homepage and you'll see all the people that you're following tweets on your homepage. So it's important also to comment, retweet and like people's tweets. This increases engagement on Twitter. Twitter like this because it's giving more engagement on their platform. They're more likely to show your tweets to more people as well. It's the law of reciprocity. The more that you share, the more that you comment and like, the more Twitter is going to show your tweets to other people for them to then comment, share and like. In this video, we went over finding others to follow.